In June 2025, I made a trip to the town of Front Royal, Virginia as part of one of my summer rail fanning adventures. I'd planned to do a lot of rail fanning in the area, but unfortunately I caught a bad flu that kept me confined to a chair for several days. However, that didn't mean I was unable to go rail fanning, since as long as I was sitting close to the tracks, I still had a way to film trains without even having to walk around, by using a drone. Front Royal sees a lot of railroad action, since Norfolk Southern's B line meets the Hagerstown district at the center of town. Next to this junction sits the South Fork of the Shenandoah River, and both NS lines cross over it using large bridges. The bridge in the foreground of this shot is on the now out-of-service extension of the B line west of Front Royal, but trains still run over the bridge in the background, which lies on NS's Hagerstown district. From the now out-of-service bridge, the tracks of the abandoned B line run west. Although the tracks were only removed from service in 2020, vegetation has already started to take over this roadbed. The future of this line is uncertain. While there has been some discussion around reopening the line along with a trail running next to it, a conflicting plan wants to tear up the tracks and only build a trail. Most rail lines in Front Royal, however, are still very much in service. This is NS's Hagerstown district, seen here south of the junction with the B line. This stretch of track sees several trains a day, and as luck would have it, I was able to catch one of these massive freight trains. This train is a mixed train, meaning it hauls a wide variety of cargo. It's heading north to the junction and will likely continue further north to the division's end at Hagerstown. Unfortunately, I was unable to see another train during my time in Front Royal, but I'm happy that I got the chance to explore the area and film some trains. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the other videos from this trip. I'll leave links to them in the description. If you want to get notified when I make more of these videos, be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so YouTube knows to recommend you my videos. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.